Just click on this first link. Yeah, right. So this software will get downloaded into my system from the nearest servers which are available. Okay. Now scroll down a bit. Now you can see these options here. So here the database option is there. You can see here. Select this database, and under the database you see a lot of options. It's better to take this select this option, that is database enterprise standard editions. Just click on it. Now if you scroll down, you will see we require enterprise editions. Because why do we require enterprise editions means all the features will be available here. It supports all the features. Now scroll down. Different types of operating systems also you can choose, but right now we are installing this application on Windows operating system. So select this one, this first option. See here, you can see Oracle database 19c for Windows, Microsoft Windows x64 64-bit. It's in zip file, right? So just we need to click on this zip file. Okay, so this option you need to select and just click on this zip file. Now what it is asking you, in order to download this software, first of all you need to create an account in the Oracle. Okay, I am already having my account in this Oracle. If you don't have, just click on this, just create one account. So India, right, will be also taken automatically. Just clicking on sign in. Now you can see here the download process will get started. See, the download process is getting started. So based upon the internet speed, the software will get downloaded. So I am going to fast forward this video. So once the software gets downloaded, we will move to the next step. Okay, next, go to the location where the zip file is available. Just click on, I'm clicking on the show in folder, and here in my downloads location it is there. Now I am going to move this into C drive. On continue. Next step, we need to extract this folder. Now we need to extract this zip file. Just click, right click on it and extract to this Windows .x64 193.000.db_home. Now it is getting extracted. Now we have extracted this folder. Just go into that folder. Now go to below, and here you find an option called setup. One file you will see here, it is setup. Just right click on it. I'm going to select properties. Now it is an executable file. Just we need to double click on this. Just double click on it and click on yes. It is asking for you the confirmation. And here two radio buttons will be shown. Like it will ask you create and configure a single instance database or set up software only. So select the first option here and click on next. And it is asking you to select again, two options are there here. One is desktop class and server class. So right now we are installing this Oracle database in our local system. It means in the desktop, not on the top of the server. So just select the first option and click on next. Now here it is asking use virtual account, use existing Windows user, or else create new Windows user. And the fourth option it is showing use Windows built-in account. So you are a beginner means just go for the fourth option, use Windows built-in account. So just click on next and it will ask you for the confirmation to continue. Just click select here yes. Now here it is very important step here. Just verify the location, software location where it is getting installed. Automatically the software is getting installed in this location. Database location is here. It is taking C drive, and check whether the edition is enterprise edition or not. And global database name by default it is ORCL, and the password I am just giving so your password should be we need to give somewhat complex password here. So select the C drive, and here I am going to select Oracle Blaze. One select and browse here and go to C drive again. Select this, click on select and click on next. So now the installation process will be now the Oracle database is getting installed. So just click on install. So if you get any error like me, what you can do is go to this location and create one folder. The folder name you can give as Oracle underscore base. So select that base folder, give that location, and automatically it will get down. So now you can see here the database is getting installed. So it will take some time here. We need to wait for it. So once the installation process was completed, just you can close this one and now go to start menu and just type here SQL Plus, search for SQL Plus and just open it. Else click on run as administrator. Just select S here. Now the default username is system. I'm going to type system and it will ask you for the password. Now what I'm going to do here, I am going to enter ABC. Now it will show you invalid username and password, log on, delete. So if in case you forget the password also, no problem here. What you can do is for every operating system in Linux there will be a root user. In the same way for database also we have root users. So you can just type here this as this DBA. The password is also sys Now I have connected to the database. Now just I am going to change password for the system user. Just I am going to type alter user system and identified by ABC. So the user got altered. Now if I type here connect system /ABC, see here I connected to the system user. Now again I am going to close this one. Again I will open this SQL Plus. Now I am going to type here system as username and password as ABC. Now see, login success. So in case if you forget the password also no problem. In the upcoming sessions we are going to do practice. I am going to make tutorials on this Oracle database. That's the reason I have created